Kids learn Earth's water. Where can we find water? Water is found everywhere. River, lake, glacier, ocean. There's also water we can't always see. It can be drawn using a pump, or it may gush out after a heavy rain. Can you think of other bodies of water? A sip from your water bottle tells you that water is a liquid, but water also exists as a solid and a gas. Can you spot water as a solid, liquid, and a gas in this clip? Gas, liquid, solid. What forms of water are shown in each video? What would life be like without water? Please subscribe this channel and press the like button.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Kids English Corner, where learning is fun.